So this is how you add a page that will connect to your menu or your website. You need to select a page, depends on what infos you will put. So I chose about, but we already have a folder with about us, so I'm gonna change that later. And so this is what it will look like, and you can add and modify all of those, of course. And now let's change this into team members, and then we're gonna put it on the folder about us. I'm gonna click sub page so that it can become a sub page, and then it will connect to your menu. So go to menu, so it will look like this if you click about us.